I started my talk by quoting a verse of the glorious Quran from Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min zakarin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum inna Allaha alimun khabir. O humankind, we have created you from a single pair of male and female and have divided you into nations and tribes so that you shall recognize each other and you may not despise each other. And the most honored in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the person who has taqwa, the person who has God consciousness, piety, righteousness. Allah says in this verse that He has divided the human beings into different tribes so that you may recognize each other, not that you may despise each other. And the most honored in the sight of Almighty Allah is the person who has taqwa, God consciousness, righteousness, piety.